I use the you can see I'm using it all the time. This is Alibaba, this is my account. I'm using it all the time. And I keep everything in Alibaba. Why? Well, as your business grows, you'll quickly learn that you want to have the ability to scale your business, and that by keeping everything within the one platform where you're buying things from, Alibaba in this case, which is the middleman between you and the factory, what that enables you to do is if something goes tits up, then you've got all of the messages in Alibaba for Alibaba to see. And I think that's important to do that as well. It's like using Upwork to use all your freelancers. I keep everything in Upwork because if anything goes wrong, then it's all there in Upwork for everybody to see. And if I'm trying to get my money back, if I paid through Upwork, I'm trying to get my money back, it's much easier if it's all there rather than I've got some in Upwork, I've got some on WeChat, I've got some in email communication. It's just much easier if they can see that. And it's the same in Alibaba. So there's that. Second thing is scaling business. So right now in my Amazon businesses, I've got 5 people who are pretty much full-time now, I guess, in my businesses. And so what we have done is we use one platform so that we can keep all of our communications, all of the team, all using the one area. So we use, of course, Alibaba. We also use Basecamp. What's this? Yeah, we also use Basecamp to manage projects that we're working on. That's something that Kate Ingham gave me, and that is a brilliant tool. I absolutely love Basecamp now. Kate suggested that, and it's been revolutionary, not only for my businesses, but also all of our diamond clients. That's all done through Basecamp as well, and I'm sure our diamond clients will agree that's really a brilliant system for us to use. So I use Basecamp for managing projects. This is Process Street. I use Process Street, so all of our systems are in one area, and Process Street is a system building app. System building app for your business. So I use this. So this is one, for instance, for when we do a webinar for Aussie online entrepreneurs. This is the complete checklist of things that has to happen, and then within each thing there's a sub checklist that happens within that. So I use that too, and then I also use Google Drive just to kind of complete the picture for storage and for documents that I'm working on. So that's the kind of the way we run our business now. So everybody gets access to my Seller Central accounts, everybody gets access to Google Drives, to Google Calendars, to Process Street, to Basecamp where we manage projects, and of course to things like the messaging through Alibaba. That's all kept in one area too. So as you grow your business, that will become very, very important and will facilitate the growth of your business a lot better. So a long way to explain that, Fiora, but yes, continue to use it. Don't go outside of that particular platform. I think that's the best thing to do. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.